Welcome everybody, Johnny and Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to do a delicious dessert sauce, a blueberry sauce. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients, and while you're there, please do subscribe and help support the channel. Let's begin with this super delicious sauce. Grab the saucepan and some sugar. Go ahead and throw the granulated sugar in. A little bit of a thickening agent, throw in some flour. A pinch of salt to bring out that delicious sweet flavor, and the lemon juice just to give it a little kick and a little bit of tanginess. Warm up a little hot water, throw it on in. Get a little bit whiskey with all the ingredients, incorporate them in really well. When the sugar is dissolved and everything is smooth, throw in the stars of the show, the blueberries. Throw them on in, give them a little bit of a stir, turn it up onto medium to high heat, bring it to a boil. Turn the heat down, go ahead and simmer this mixture for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes or until the desired thickness. Once you've reduced the mixture, go ahead, turn off the heat, add a little rum. This is optional, but it gives it a daggum good taste. Give this bad boy a little bit of a mixing, then go ahead and throw a little butter into the sauce. This will give it a little bit of a rich flavor and a wonderful creamy texture. And you know what? Butter makes everything better. And a quick note, the sauce will look a little bit runny, however that's because it's hot. Once it starts to cool off, it will definitely start to thicken up. And there you have it everybody, a delicious blueberry sauce. Thanks for watching. Check the description below for the list of the ingredients. Hit that like button, leave your comments below. Please help support the channel by subscribing, and as always, can't wait to see you next time.